Hey guys, so welcome back to Delf Stack, and this is how to erase the background of copy paste from Messenger in MS Word. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue where I have copy a text from the group, as you can see over here, and when I paste it on the MS Word, it has a gray background like this one over here. So now guys, to fix this issue, what you could try to do is of course just simply select the text that you have copied, and now over here on the top you should be able to see this icon over here, text highlight color. So you can just simply go ahead and select the icon that is pointing downward. So go ahead and select that. And from here, you should have an option no color. So just simply go ahead and select that. And from here, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't, another alternative, for example, you copy a text from the Messenger and it has a black background, you could just simply open the Word file or text file and you could just simply paste it over here. You just simply copy and you could just simply paste it over here to fix the issue right away. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.